Welcome to Nugget 359 with Steve and Dana Groman, and today we are going to be talking about that organization that gets, what is it, $80 million a day?
Yeah, you must be talking about NASA.
I'm talking about NASA. Everybody loves NASA. Not everybody loves NASA. Well, it's from the Discover magazine, the November-December 2023 issue. That's pretty current.
I'd say so.
Someone wrote in, calling them on the carpet, I guess you could say, about an article called New Life from an Old Rock, and it was in the March-April 2023 Discover magazine. The article by Lise Cutt suggests that Mars rock reopened some avenues for NASA to continue doing what they do best. Namely exploring the cosmos. But finding this rock in Antarctica raised two puzzling questions for me. How could anybody know if this lump of stone is from Mars? The find happened before the Mars explorers landed there. And given the distance and dynamics of two planets in orbit, how did it wind up on Earth? Good question, Mel Goddard. I wonder if he's related to Goddard, the rocket guy. Well, here,
Robert Goddard?
Right. Well, that was a ruse that day we went to that park, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
We wanted to go to the park over in Mass where he had sent off his first rocket, and all we found was a golf course and a house. Stephen C. George, story editor and Discover editorial director, he responds. Great question, Mel. First, you are correct that in 1993, when ALH 84001 was identified as being from Mars, we were still a few years away from putting rovers on the red planet.
Right. Remember what happened with the moon rocks, right?
Yeah, all kinds of stuff, like they were petrified wood and just all kinds of things. I think they might be a few more years from getting anyway. However, thanks to the 1976 Viking missions, we already had some information about Mars, including the composition of the atmosphere. By comparing that data with traces of gas still in the rock, NASA determined that ALH 84001 was indeed Martian in origin. Is that even possible that they can verify that?
No.
Is that the scientific method? No. But they can say it very definitively.
So many people go, ooh.
As for how it landed on Earth, further study of our little rocky traveler revealed molecular details that helped scientists conclude it was shot into space about 16 million years ago.
Yeah, they could tell that. This is science.
Who believes these people? After some large body, probably an asteroid or comet, crashed into Mars, the resulting debris floated around the solar system for quite a while. It wasn't until 13,000 years ago that ALH 84001 eventually drifted into Earth's path. The rest is history. Okay, so an asteroid or comet crashed into Mars 16 million years ago, and this poor little rock is just out there in the cosmos, and then it landed 13,000 years ago in Antarctica. This boy,
that makes a great story, huh? Sitting around a campfire.
He went from fire to frozen.
Can you imagine if that thing would have hit the space shuttle or the ISS or a satellite?
I think the odds are good that it wouldn't.
I think so.
Truly, people believe this. They throw out these numbers, they throw out these statements, and people ooh and ah. I just don't
they'll
get
write
it.
a retraction several months, if not years from now, and say, well, it wasn't from Mars after all. They always do that.
We're going to have to keep an eye out for that, won't we?
Yeah, we will.
All right. Well, I hope you enjoy these nuggets.
Don't believe everything you hear from NASA.
Don't?
No.
Okay. Mars or bust. Looking for a meaningful Christmas present? Why don't you consider the Creation Seminar Series, which is back to earth and down to earth biblical truths about the creation. We're offering 30% off for Christmas and free shipping. So for $120, you can have all 12 lessons.
We talk about real evidence, right?
Yes. If you appreciate these videos, you can partner with us on a monthly or one-time basis. The links are in the description below. And if you appreciate our content, tell others and repost on your social platforms. Thank you.